Into bracket means we are deducting this. That's why we are recorded into bracket. Next is employee benefit expenses. In expenses right there, employee benefit expenses, employee benefit expenses. Give the note number. Note number 10. You are knowing the note number, you can write it accordingly. Note number 10. Amount is 57,500. Amount is 57,500. Next accounting note name heading is other expenses. Other expenses. Note number 10 and total amount inner column 33,830. 33,830. Make the total outer column 3,40,000, 57,500, 33,830 आणि त्याच्यातून इंटू ब्रॅकेट 1,75 आहे ते वजा करायचे. Into bracket means it is to be deducted. What is the total? Amount total. All the expenses amount total. Is it completed or not?
2,56,130.
आवाज येत नाही मला. हॅलो, कुणीतरी आपल्या स्क्रीनवरती मीटिंग लॉक करतंय. कुठेच काही हात लावू नका. Can you listen me?
हो सर.
The total comes 2,56,330. Is it correct?
हो सर.
2,56,330. Now write it outer column and give the name to it by showing arrow. Total expenses. Total expenses. Now revenue, total revenue amount total is 4,35,000 and we are deducting this total expenses 2,56,330 from it. So after deduction, the amount comes, after deduction, the amount comes 4,35,000 minus 2,56,330. You are using the calculator. Hello. हॅलो.
हो सर.
हा, मग सांगा ना मला व्हॉट इज द टोटल म्हणल्यावर माझी वाट बघू नका ना, तुम्ही सांगायला पाहिजे, मी करेक्ट करतो इथं काय चुकलं असेल तर. So total comes 1,78,670. 1,78,670. Is it right? Total is right or wrong?
हो सर, बरोबर आहे.
मोठ्याने बोला जरा, मला ऐकायला येत नाही.
हो
माझं
सर.
ऐकायला येतं ना?
हो.
So give the name or heading to this amount by showing arrow. Profit before tax. Profit before tax. Profit before tax. Now provision for tax is given in the problem. Adjustment number C. The adjustment is given there. So provide income tax for the year rupees 30,000. So less provision for tax. Less provision for tax 30,000. Provision for tax 30,000. Deduct it from 1,78,670. The amount comes the amount comes 1,78,670 मधून 30 गेले की 1,48,670 राहतात. कॅल्क्युलेटर वापरू नका, फक्त 30 वजा करायचे. So 1,48,670. Give the title or heading to that by showing arrow. Profit for the year. Profit for the year. Now this profit is the net profit, which is again added in the reserves and surplus. Go to the balance sheet, working note number 2. Balance sheet sheet working note number 2. Reserves and surplus. We are recorded opening balance 15,030. 15030. Into that add profit for the year. Add profit for the year. Inner column 1,48,670. 1,48,670. Make the total inner column. Make the total inner column. 1,63,700. 1,63,700. Now from this, less appropriations, write there. If not written, then write less appropriations. Now appropriations are made in the adjustment. If adjustment is there, transfer rupees 20,000 to general reserve. So appropriations Next line, transfer to general reserve. Transfer to general reserve. इनरच्या इनर कॉलमला घ्या. इनरच्या इनर कॉलमला 20,000. जर घेतलं नसेल तर घ्या, नाही तर डबल डबल घेऊ नका. ट्रान्सफर टू जनरल रिझर्व 20,000 आणि इंटरिम डिव्हिडंड आहे 9,000. इंटरिम डिव्हिडंड पेड 9,000. The total of both these 29,000. Total of both these 29,000. Now deduct it from 1,63,700. 1,63,700. And outer column amount 1,34,700. 1,34,700. तर ह्या रिझर्व्स अँड सरप्लसची टोटल करायची आहे. पहिले 1,35,500 जनरल रिझर्व, त्याच्यामध्ये ऍड केलेले 20,000 आहेत. 1,35,500 आणि हे 1,34,700. 1,35,500 and 1,34,700. The total of both these 2,70,200. 2,70,200. आता ही टोटल झाली आपली रिझर्व्स अँड सरप्लसची. ही इक्विटी अँड लायबिलिटी बॅलन्स शीट मध्ये लिहायची. इक्विटी अँड लायबिलिटी मध्ये शेअर कॅपिटल वी आर रेकॉर्डेड, बट रिझर्व्स अँड सरप्लस नोट नंबर 2 टोटल वी आर नॉट टेकन देअर, कारण हे झाल्याशिवाय आपल्याला तिथे घेता येणार नव्हते. Here 1 lakh is recorded right there, inner column 2,70,200. 2,70,200. So total of both these 3,70,200 outer column. 3,70,200. आता वरच्या करंट लायबिलिटीच्या पण आपण रकमा घेतलेल्या आहेत. शेअर होल्डर्स फंड झालेले आहेत. मेक द टोटल ऑफ बोथ दीज 3,70,200 प्लस 47,500. 3,70,200 plus 47,500. The total comes, उभ्या बेरजा करायला शिका. 5 आणि 2 7, 7 अशी 7, 7 आणि 4 11, हातचाला 1, 3 आणि 4 4,17,700. 4,17,700. Make the 2 underlines to this amount. This is the total of liability side, 4,17,700. Now asset Roman 2 we are recorded 34,000 is the outer column amount, and current assets all total 3,83,700. 3,83,700. And then make the total of both these 34,000 plus 3,83,700. The total comes what is the total of liability? That total having the asset 4,17,700. 4,17,700. So very small problem this one, but first of all we are making balance sheet and then income statement. Don't make income statement first and then balance sheet. In the company final accounts, when the problem on income statement and balance sheet combined is asked, then first of all prepare the balance sheet and then the income statement. And account notes are also start with balance sheet and then income statement. The sequence is changed. Up to SY level, you are preparing trading account, profit and loss account, P&L appropriation account, and then balance sheet. But at TY level, in the company account, you have to prepare first the balance sheet in vertical form and then the income statement. Okay. All is the correct one. सगळं आपलं टॅली झालेलं आहे. फक्त थोडंसं लक्ष देऊन प्रत्येक ॲडजस्टमेंटचा किंवा अकाउंटिंग नोटचा कुठे काय राहणार नाही. ट्रायल बॅलन्स मध्ये एखादा आयटम चुकून राहणार नाही. डिस्काउंट दोन डेबिट आणि क्रेडिट होते. डेबिटचा डिस्काउंट म्हणजे एक्सपेंडिचर आणि क्रेडिटचा डिस्काउंट म्हणजे इन्कम. डिस्काउंट रिसिव्ड अँड डिस्काउंट अलाउड. डेबिट इज अलाउड अँड क्रेडिट इज रिसिव्ड. ओके. यस म्हणा. यस म्हणा.
यस सर.
हा बोलत जा. मला डायलॉग केल्यावर बरं वाटतं जरा. उगीच आपलं गप्प राहायचं. दॅट इज नॉट बेटर. नाउ सेकंड another problem I was already given to you. Now come to the second problem. Then the next problem. 10:15 पर्यंत मी घेणार आहे तुमचं. अजून अर्धा तास आहे. 9:45 AM is there. So give the heading in the books of X Limited. In the books of X Limited. Next line, balance sheet into bracket vertical into bracket vertical bracket complete as on 31st March 2018. As on 31st March 2018. Make the columns as usual. 4 columns. First column particulars, big one. Second column note number, account note number or note number. Then inner amount. And the last column outer amount. Last column outer amount. Now this problem is biggest one. So all the main headings we are included in this problem. Now if the small problem is given and no items relates to any particular head, we don't add it. Now here problem is big and all the heads are to be recorded. So Roman 1, big Roman 1, equity and liabilities. equity and liabilities. Underline. Next line, number 1, simple number 1, not Roman. Simple number 1. Shareholders funds. मला वाटतं तुमचं हे आता पाठ झालेलं असेल. You may understood very well what are the heads. Shareholders funds. So for this, keep 2 lines blank. Only share capital and reserves and surpluses are to be recorded. So 2 lines keep blank. Next, number 2, non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities. For this, keep 1 line blank. Keep 1 line blank. Number 3. Current liabilities. Current liabilities. Underline. For this, keep 5 lines blank. For the current liabilities, keep 5 lines blank. So liability side, main headings are completed. Then Roman 2, big Roman 2, assets. Underline